Now how easy is that, DIYs? It's taken a little bit over an hour and a half to arrive at work, you know, set up. Put my third coat of waterproof in as my slurry, screed my shower, cut my tiles, and we're good to go. It's done. I'm just going to set this waste in. In my early days, I used to leave the waste till last because I was in a rush. Always in a rush. But nine times out of 10, I would be putting my waste in, and I'd chip a tile, and I'd be trying to finish that day. And you chip a tile in your shower or out on your bathroom floor, it's a biggie, because it takes a long time to fix it and chip up your glue and that sort of thing. So it's always the best idea, everyone. Put your waste in as you go. That's in now. It's not going anywhere. Wash my hands. Whooshka. There you have it. Have a last little look with my bit of glue coming up through the lines. The very next day, come back to it with your knife and just give it a bit of a touch up and take your glue out while it's still fresh. Okay, I'm on to the next. I'll lay this floor now, and then the toilet floor, I'll lay that, and we'll see you soon. Bye.